everyone, and welcome to Think English. My name is Ella, and I am so happy you are here to practice English with me today. Today, we are talking about a fun topic. We are talking about hobbies. Hobbies are activities we do for fun in our free time. What do you do when you are not working or studying? Those are your hobbies. I want to share some of my hobbies with you. This will help you learn new words and practice listening. Let's start with my favorite sport. One of my favorite hobbies is playing tennis. I play tennis with my friend, Lisa. We go to a tennis court near my house. A tennis court is the place where you play tennis. To play, we need a racket and a tennis ball. The racket is what you use to hit the ball. We hit the ball back and forth over a net. It is great exercise and a lot of fun. I like playing with Lisa because we can talk and laugh. Sometimes we are very serious about the game, but most of the time we just have fun. It's a great way to see a friend and exercise at the same time. I remember one time I hit the ball so high that it got stuck in a tree. We had to throw our water bottles at it to get it down. We were laughing so hard. It's moments like that that make playing tennis so special. Another time, we were playing on a very windy day. The ball was flying in all directions. We were running and jumping all over the court. We probably looked very silly, but we were having the best time. It's these funny moments that I love the most. Lisa and I have a friendly competition. We keep score of our matches. Last week, we played a very long and exciting game. The score was tied, and we played a tiebreaker. A tiebreaker is a special game to decide the winner when the score is equal. I was so nervous, but I won. Lisa was a good sport about it. She said she will win next time. Our matches make us better players. Another hobby I love is roller skating. This is something I like to do alone. When I want some quiet time for myself, I go roller skating. There is a beautiful park near my city. It has a long trail. A trail is a path for walking, biking, or skating. I put on my roller skates and skate on the park trail. The trail is smooth, so it is easy to skate. I love the feeling of the wind when I skate. I usually listen to music with my headphones. I see trees, flowers, and other people enjoying the park. It is very peaceful and relaxing for me. One time, while I was skating, a small dog started running alongside me. He was very cute and playful. He ran with me for a little while, and his owner was laughing. It was a happy moment. It's small surprises like that that make my skating trips special. Okay, my next hobby is for when I want an adventure. I love day hiking in the mountains. A hike is a long walk in nature, like in a forest or up a mountain. A day hike means we go and come back on the same day. I usually go hiking with a group of friends. It is safer and more fun to go with other people. We choose a mountain with a good trail. We love being outside in the fresh air and seeing nature. When I go hiking, I always take a day pack. A day pack is a small backpack. Inside my day pack, I have a big water bottle. It is very important to drink a lot of water when you hike. I also bring snacks like fruit or nuts for energy. The best part of hiking is reaching the top of the mountain. The view is always amazing. You can see so far. It feels great to accomplish the climb and see the beautiful world from above. Now, let's talk about something I do indoors for exercise. I go to a spin class at the gym. A gym is a place with exercise equipment. A spin class is an exercise class with special bicycles that do not move. There is an instructor at the front of the room. The instructor tells us what to do. He or she plays loud, energetic music. We ride the bikes fast and slow. It is a very hard workout, but it's also very fun. I feel so strong and full of energy after a spin class. It's a great way to exercise when the weather is bad outside, like when it is raining, and the music makes it feel like a party. For a more quiet and calm activity, I like visiting a museum. Just like roller skating, this is a hobby I usually do alone. It gives me time to think and learn. A museum is a building where you can see interesting things from the past or from other cultures. Some museums have art, like paintings and sculptures. Other museums have history, like old tools or clothes. I like both kinds of museums. I walk slowly through the rooms. I read the information about the things I see. It is very quiet in a museum. People talk very softly. It is a wonderful way to learn something new and relax my mind. My last hobby is something I do in the evening with my friends. We love to go to karaoke. Karaoke is when you sing popular songs with a microphone. The music plays and the words are on a screen so you can sing along. I go with my friends Thomas and Lisa. We go to a karaoke bar or a special karaoke room. We can order drinks and food. We take turns choosing and singing our favorite songs. Am I a good singer? No, not really. But that doesn't matter at all. The point of karaoke is to have fun. We sing loud, we laugh at our mistakes, and we cheer for each other. It's the perfect way to end a long week. So, those are some of my hobbies: tennis, roller skating, hiking, spin class, visiting museums, and karaoke. I do many different things to have fun, exercise, and relax. Now I want you to think, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? You can practice telling a friend about your hobbies in English. Use some of the words you learned today. That's all for today on Think English. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned some new words and enjoyed our chat. Until next time, keep practicing. Goodbye.